Hello everyone. So today's video is going to be my get ready with me. I'm going to actually meet up with one of my cousins who I love and her future husband. We're going to meet up downtown Savannah. So Ray's still kind of in the field today. I have no idea what time he's getting back. It's about 12 o'clock now. And then I feel like even when he does get back, I'm not sure if he'd be like, you know, too tired to go hang out and socialize with people. But I did my hair and I did my makeup today, and I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna wear because it's probably gonna be a little bit muggy outside. But we're gonna go meet up on River Street, if I didn't already say that. And yeah, that's pretty much what's going on today. I pretty much have not been doing anything with Ray not being here, so it's gonna be good to get out of the house and actually like have a little bit of fun, you know what I mean? If you want to see how I did my hair or how I do my hair, because it's got like this kind of wave curl type situation going on, then definitely give this video a bunch of likes. Let's set a goal of like, I don't know, like 10 likes on this video, and then I'll do a tutorial on how I do curl my hair like this, which I actually love, and it's super quick and super easy, especially if you have really long hair. But I actually need to get going, so I'm gonna let you guys go officially now. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get into it.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
You
downtown Savannah. I'm going to meet my cousin. She's about a block away from where I am. So I'm excited. It's very humid today, but so far it's not horrible.